Luke Bamford paratoi I hyrddio tafliad hir I fewn I gwrt y Seintiau. Mae Ciara Mills-Evans di mynd i'r llawr a'r dyfarnwr Bryn Macam Jones yn pwyntio at y smotyn. Gafodd ei ddal rhwng dau o'n ddiffynwyr y Seintiau. Mae yna gyfle fan hyn i'r Drenewydd fynd ar y blaen wedi 23 o funudau. Jamie Reid sy'n paratoi. Reid syth lawr y canol. Cyn rhoi'r Drenewydd ar y blaen yn curo Aaron Jones yn y gol. Y golwr yn dechrau gêm gyntaf erioed yn Uwchgyngrair Cymru. Dim byd sydd wedi gallu gwneud am honna. Ryan Brobl. Colwthio am y nôl. Mae'r bas yn llac. Nick Ruston di darllen ni. Mae'n nôl gan Ruston. Jamie Reid digonedd o le ganddo fo. Mae'n anelu. A mae'n ergyd ac yn dod o hyd i'r gornel isa. A gredwch chi fyth, mae Robiniaid 2-0 ar y blaen. A cyn chwaraewr y Seintiau, Jamie Reid, sydd wedi sgorio ddwywaith. John Routledge, allan mae Chris Marriott ar y chwith. Marriott at Parry. Marriott di parhau ar ediad, mae'n cael ei faglu'n ddi-seremoni. A dim amheuaeth am honna, mae'n gico'r smotyn i'r Seintiau. A cyfle I gael bwlch. Greg Draper di sgorio 13 o goliau'r tymor yma. Prif sgoriwr y gyngrair syth lawr y canol. Ac ydy'r Seintiau mynd I droi'r gêm yma ar ei phen. Chris Marriott yn clirio. Parry y flic ymlaen. Mills-Evans yn ôl at y golwr Dave Jones. Ond mi o'na rhyw fagliad yn fanna. Mae'n gic cryf. Mae'r dyfarnwr yn mynd I boced. Mae yna gerdyn coch I Greg Draper. A dwi'm yn coelio hynna. A di Scott Ruscombe yn coelio'r peth chwaith. Mae Mills-Evans yn troi I ben fan hyn I weld lle mae Draper yn arafu gam. A Draper sy'n cael cerdyn coch. Mitchell yn croesi. Ruston ar peniad. Dy Drenewydd yn mynd I fanteisio efo'r dyn ychwanegol yma. Cliriad at Mullen, rheoli'n hyfryd. Mae Parry yno. Mae'r gwrth ymosodiad ymlaen. Parry, sgwar, Brobl. Cyflenion i'r sgôr. Jones yn arbed. Dihangfa'r Drenewydd, y Seintiau mor beryglus wrth ymosod. Mae'r cerdyn coch na di sbarduno'r Seintiau os o beth. Nhw sy'n pwyso ers hynny, ond Jamie Reid yn rhoi pwysau ar Marriott rwan. Maen nhw wedi dwyn y bêl. Reid, mae Bamford yno. Bamford yn troi fewn, allo selio'r triffwyd fan hyn. Ar y droed chwith. Di colli gyd bwysedd chydig y fanna, nath o'n dda I greu lle, ond yr ergyd fymryn heibio'r nod. Seintiau'n chwarae efo cyflymder y bit at Holland. Holland di gweld Blaine Hudson. Hudson digonedd o le ganddo fo I ergydio I gornel ucharwyd. Bwled gan Blaine. Byddech chi'n teiryn ar Drenewydd sy'n lawr I 10. Sbiwch ar y lle sy'n ganddo fo. Ond mi nath I hedfan i'r gornel ucha. Mullen yn curoedd un. Y Seintiau ar dan rwan. Yn sgwar mae'n mynd. Spender yno. Nôl at Routledge. Routledge ar y droi chwyd. Gwiriad. A gol. Y 10 yn ddidri garedd. Oedden nhw yn colli o 2 gol I ddim. Di gweld cerdyn coch I Greg Draper, ond y pencampwyr yn dangos pam. Mae nhw ydy'r pencampwyr. Ruston y sodled at Reid. Tom Goodwin, cyfle I Goodwin! Arbediad gwych gan Aaron Jones. Yn ei gêm gyntaf yn Uwchgyngrair Cymru. Lawr yn isel i'w chwith. Chwarae taclus gan y Drenewydd. Aaron Jones i'r adwy.
I said to the lads at half time, you know, it goes one way, we get a goal and we can win this game, and I fully believe we could, and it went that way. But you know, fair play to Newtown, had a right go and caused us a few shock today. So yeah, fair play to our lads, good credit to them, willingness to work together and to always go on and play the right way and do that. So fair play to our team today.
I think you come up against TNS. I mean, we played them over the last however many seasons. And I think they've only had, while the goals have had 1 shot all game. So when you look at the stats, and how we played against them. And you know, tactically, I thought we were excellent, really stifled them. And then we feel they probably had, you know, a bit of good fortune, a bit of good luck. You know, the second goal was a great goal, but we've got to deal with better. Third goal was a deflected goal. The first goal was a penalty. You know, so we feel that we're hard done to today. You know, we've gone against the best team in the league, gone toe to toe with them, stifled them, really frustrated them. I think you could see that the bench, the players, we really frustrated them all game. We were excellent, and you know, we've been dealt sucker punch.
We're almost halfway through, and it looks like you're going to be top of the table going to the second half.
Yeah.
What are your hopes for the new year?
To stay there, to keep fighting on all fronts. We're in 4 competitions. The league's the be-all and end-all. It's the minimum that we ask for every season, but it's nice to get a bit of silverware, and obviously we're in a cup final, in a semi-final, and we're still in the Welsh Cup. So things looking good, but we don't take our foot off, and we don't take nothing for granted.
Do you still think that top 6 is within your reach, or has it gone now?
Look, you know, we've never made targets. We never do at Newtown. You know, the past 4 seasons have been fantastic for us, getting to the playoffs. Top 6 the first 3 years, you know, overachieved massively. So, you know, we don't make targets at this football club. We know what we've got. We've got a hard-working group of players who work hard. We stick to a plan. They work hard within the plan, and we'll see where that takes us.